Hello guys, welcome back to my channel today, and I hope you guys are doing great. Today I bring to you a special kind of video. Is a requested video, and it's on how you can open both demo and real accounts on Deriv. Okay, Deriv is a broker that one of the brokers that I use, and the best one indeed, the best of the brokers. This is because of its uniqueness. With Deriv, you can actually trade the Forex 247 every day of the week and all the days in the month and throughout the year. You can trade the Forex market, okay, especially with the synthetic that Deriv offers, talking about boom and crash, volatility indices, step index, jump index, and the rest. Okay, you can as well trade currency pairs from Monday to Friday, still under the Deriv platform. All you need to do is to add the financial account. When you go to your broker account, that is your Deriv broker account, you can add the financial account so that you get your login, okay, still within your broker account, and then use your login to log into your financial account on your MT5 and then trade the currency pairs. But that's what we're going to do today. We are looking at how you can open your demo account and also your real account, and I'm going to take you through that process step by step. So you need to have patience with this video because I will take you through it. So all you need to do is to follow the link that I've provided, and it's right on the description box of every of my video. Okay, there is a link. You must always see the link. Okay, yeah, just like this one now, open a trading account with Deriv. So all you need to do is to click on the link when you go to my channel, and then you'll be redirected to any of your browser. You can choose any browser of your choice, and we are going to use the Chrome. Okay, make sure you have a good browser, and you'll be redirected to the Deriv platform, and right here you will see login, and when you scroll down you will see create free demo account. So that's where you're going to click, and then you put in the email address you want to use to open this account. Okay, I've got a special email that I'm using to cover this video. So you're going to type in my case, I'll type in the email address. Okay, all right, and is this way. All right guys, okay, all right, and then you tick this, I agree to the terms, and then you click on create account. Okay, so they've actually sent a mail to this email, so you are going to go back to your email, and then go back to your email, and then you follow the link that will be sent to you to yes, okay, follow the link that will be sent to you to like verify the email. Okay, so guys, here is the email, the message that was sent. So you are just going to click on verify my email, okay, so that you'll be redirected back to the Deriv platform. So when you do that, yeah, still click on Chrome and you're taken back to that platform. Okay, this is Deriv platform. Now you wait for it to open. You know, the Deriv broker site is a very heavy site, and it takes some time to like load this way. All right, it said thanks for verifying your email. Where do you live? Okay, you fill your country, which is Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian, so I click on next, and it will take me keep your account secure with a password. So I'm gonna input my password, my choosing password. Okay, so that's peculiar to me, so I'm gonna do that right away. Choose a very strong password. Okay, that's a strong one already, and we'll click on start trading. Okay, all right, click here. All right, guys, you can say never. Okay, so we've actually created a demo account. Okay, this message just popped up. Say, where would you like to start? Okay, just this is margin MetaTrader 5. Says you click start here, and then you'll be taken to this place. Okay, so this is actually you want to add accounts so that you get your you've actually created your broker account. Okay, with this that we did, you've created your broker account, but then you want to add account that is your trading account, so that you generate the login you are going to use to trade on your MT5. So here we have real account and demo account. Okay, so we have the option of either creating demo account first or real account first. So let me take you through the process of creating a demo account. Okay, and I just clicked on demo right now. Already we have this place, so you see add demo account. Okay, add demo account, you click here, and then you can choose any password. You can decide to use the password you use for creating the real broker account, or you choose a different password. Okay, look at what is written here, trading password, meaning that you are going to use this password for your trading on your MT5. Okay, so I'm going to choose a password. Okay, and then you click on start set trading password. Okay, success, you have created a DMT5 demo synthetic account. Then you click on OK. All right, that's it, guys, and we just got our login. This is our login. Okay, so with this now you can proceed to your MT5 and log in using this particular login ID, and then using your email address that you use in opening this account. Okay, so I'm going to show you all that right away. So let's just get to the MT5 and try logging in with this login ID. Okay, that is provided for us here. Okay, and that's let's see, it's 451. Okay, so let's get to the MT5 right away and then try logging in with that detail. Okay, so you do that by clicking on this place. Okay, and then you'll be taken to a place like this. You click somewhere here, and then you see add. You click on the plus sign, and then you see find broker or add. Okay, we have Deriv here already, so you're going to click on Deriv, and then you impute the login. Okay, impute the login 3864551. Then you impute your password. Okay, then you change this to demo, and then you click login. There we go. That's your demo account. That's ready. Okay, this is it, and you are being funded with $10,000 to practice. Okay, so that's how you open your demo account. Okay, so guys, let's just get back to the Deriv platform, and I'll show you how to open your real account. Yeah, let's just get back to the Deriv platform. Okay, so here are we, and then you are going to click on this real account. Okay, you're clicking on the real account. So here the message, you need a real account, fiat currency or cryptocurrency in Deriv to create a real DMT5 account. Okay, so what you will do now is to click on create a Deriv account. Click here. Now you'll be very careful here because you're going to enter authentic info about you. So this is, it has many steps, and this is step 1. You're going to choose your fiat currency. Okay, so in this case, depending on your location, you can choose euro, you can choose pound sterling, you can choose Australian dollar, but we are choosing the US dollar. Okay, then you click on next. Click on next. Click on next, and you'll be redirected to this place where you're going to fill your real name. You're going to fill your real name. Okay, so but I'm using my brand name here because that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so we have CN Great Councils and Forex trades. Okay, okay, other details, your date of birth. So you're gonna choose your date of birth, and mine is, choose the year, and we're looking at the month of, okay, the day. All right, then you click on set, and it appears there. You input your phone number, okay, and your country code. All right, and then you click on next. Okay, you click on next. First line address, you input your first line address. You can forget about your second line address, then you put your city. Okay, and also your state. All right, put your state, and if you know your zip code, you can put it, or you forget about it. Okay, you can always edit this, then you check to see that the information is correct, and then you click on next, and then you'll be redirected to the last page. Okay, now you read this jurisdiction and choice of law, risk warning, and real accounts are not available to practically exposed persons. Maybe you're a politician and all that, so you check in this box, say I am not a PEP, that is, you are not a politically exposed person, and I have not been a PEP in the last 12 months. Okay, you click on this and then you agree to the terms and you click on add account. Okay, so automatically you have created your real Deriv broker account, and you'll be asked, your account is ready, fund your account to start trading. Then if you don't want to fund immediately, you can click on maybe later. Okay, I'm gonna do a video on how you can fund your account and make withdrawal. So you are going to click on maybe later. Okay, so it will redirect you to this page where you will now add real trading account. That is what we just did. Now you've created a real Deriv broker account. Okay, so but you are going to create a trading account that you will use the login to log into your MT5 and start trading with your live account. So you are going to click on this add real account. Okay, then you choose your password carefully, a very strong one, all right. Okay, you can see mine is a strong one, that's why it's showing green. So you click on add account, and then you have created a DMT5 synthetic account to start trading transfer funds from your Deriv account into this account. So you say maybe later because we are yet to fully set it up. Okay, so you'll be brought to this page where you have your login. This is how it looks like, and you copy this. This is going to be your login. Okay, just the same way we copied it for the demo account. This is going to be your login for your real MT5 account. Okay, so we are going to copy it, and then we'll go back to the MT5 to log this in so that you see how the real account looks like, how to log it in. Okay, all right, so we are going back to the MT5 right away. All right, so we are still going to follow the same procedure. You click here and then you click on this plus sign. Okay, and it will take you to this place again where you will have to input your login, the login you copied. Okay, then your password, and you change this to server, and then you log in. Click on login. You click on login. Okay, and this is it. Okay, CN grade cancels Forex trade. Okay, this is how it looks like. You can see 000. Then you can fund the account and you are good to go. Okay, so let's get to the trading platform. This is how it looks like. All right, guys, so that's basically how you can create your demo and real account on Deriv. So just follow it strictly, and if you have any challenge, feel free to contact me and I'll be glad to guide you. I will certainly do a video on how you can fund your account and then start trading, how you can fund and withdraw, and the various withdrawal or deposit options that you have. So if you've watched this video to this extent, you are a good fan indeed, and please do me a favor by smashing that like button, and if you've not subscribed, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you get in touch and you'll be the first to watch it. Okay, also share this video with other traders and be encouraged to sign up with Deriv. I bet you will never regret the experience. So many thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye for today, and see you in my next video.